Benz CLA shooting brake arriving in 2026 represents a new chapter for modern premium cars that blend style, practicality, and advanced technology into a single elegant form. This upcoming model continues the idea of a sporty wagon with coupe-like lines, designed for drivers who want something more expressive than a traditional hatchback, but more versatile than a sedan. From the very first glance, the car presents a confident and futuristic appearance while staying true to the refined design language Mercedes-Benz is known for. The front of the 2026 CLA shooting brake looks clean and purposeful. The grille is sleek and modern, with a smooth surface that hints at its advanced powertrain options. The headlights are slim and sharp, flowing naturally into the body lines and giving the car a focused, intelligent expression. LED lighting technology is expected to be standard, providing excellent visibility while also enhancing the car's premium character. Every line at the front feels intentional, balancing sportiness with elegance. As the eye moves along the side of the car, the shooting brake silhouette becomes clear. The roofline slopes gently toward the rear, creating a dynamic profile that suggests motion even when the car is standing still. Unlike traditional wagons that focus purely on space, this design emphasizes style without sacrificing usability. The doors are smoothly contoured, and the subtle sculpting along the body adds depth and sophistication. Large alloy wheels fill the arches nicely, giving the car a planted and confident stance on the road. The rear of the CLA shooting brake is both stylish and practical. The tailgate opens wide, making it easy to load luggage, groceries, or sports equipment. Slim LED taillights stretch across the back, creating a modern and distinctive light signature, especially at night. The rear bumper is clean and understated, reinforcing the premium feel without unnecessary aggression. Overall, the exterior design feels modern, elegant, and sporty, appealing to drivers who value aesthetics as much as function. Inside the cabin, the 2026 CLA shooting brake is expected to offer a calm and luxurious environment. The interior design focuses on clean lines, high-quality materials, and advanced digital features. Soft-touch surfaces, premium trims, and carefully chosen colors create a welcoming atmosphere. Mercedes-Benz is known for its attention to detail, and this model continues that tradition with refined finishes and precise craftsmanship throughout the cabin. The dashboard is dominated by a wide digital display that combines the instrument cluster and infotainment system into one seamless panel. The screen is clear, responsive, and easy to read, providing all essential information at a glance. The user interface is designed to be intuitive, allowing drivers to access navigation, media, vehicle settings, and connectivity features without distraction. Voice control is expected to play a major role, making it easy to interact with the system while keeping hands on the wheel. Comfort is a key focus in the CLA shooting brake. The front seats are designed to provide excellent support for both short city drives and long highway journeys. They are expected to offer multiple adjustment options, ensuring that drivers and passengers can find the perfect seating position. High-quality upholstery materials enhance the premium feel, while optional features such as heated and ventilated seats add extra comfort in different weather conditions. Rear passengers benefit from the shooting brake design, which offers more headroom and cargo flexibility compared to the standard CLA sedan. The rear seats are comfortable and supportive, making the car suitable for families or groups of friends. The flat floor and smart interior packaging help maximize space, ensuring that passengers can enjoy a relaxed and comfortable ride even on longer trips. One of the biggest advantages of the CLA shooting brake is its cargo area. The extended roofline allows for a larger and more usable boot, making the car practical for everyday life. Whether it's weekend luggage, shopping bags, or outdoor gear, the cargo space is designed to handle a wide range of needs. The rear seats can be folded down to create even more space, turning the car into a versatile companion for both work and leisure. Technology plays a central role in the 2026 CLA shooting brake. Advanced driver assistance systems are expected to come as standard or optional features, helping to make driving safer and more relaxed. These systems may include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking. Together, they provide extra confidence on busy roads and highways, supporting the driver without taking away control. Connectivity is another strong point. The infotainment system is designed to integrate seamlessly with smartphones, allowing access to navigation, music, messages, and apps through familiar interfaces. Wireless connectivity and over-the-air updates help keep the system up to date, ensuring that the car continues to improve over time. This focus on digital innovation reflects Mercedes-Benz commitment to creating cars that feel modern and future-ready in terms of powertrain options. The 2026 CLA shooting brake is expected to offer a range of choices to suit different drivers. These may include efficient hybrid options as well as a fully electric version. The electric variant is likely to be built on a new platform designed specifically for electric mobility, offering improved range, faster charging, and smoother performance. This approach allows customers to choose a version that matches their lifestyle and driving preferences. The electric CLA shooting brake is expected to deliver quiet and responsive performance. Electric motors provide instant torque, resulting in smooth and confident acceleration. This makes the car well suited for both city driving and highway cruising. The battery technology is designed to offer a practical driving range, reducing the need for frequent charging and making electric driving more convenient for everyday use. Charging options are expected to include both home and fast charging solutions. With fast charging, drivers can add a significant amount of range in a short time, making longer journeys easier to plan. Mercedes-Benz is also likely to include smart charging features that help optimize charging times and costs, especially when connected to home energy systems or public charging networks. For drivers who prefer traditional powertrains, hybrid options provide a balance between performance and efficiency. These systems combine a combustion engine with electric assistance, reducing fuel consumption and emissions while maintaining familiar driving characteristics. Hybrid technology allows the car to operate quietly and efficiently in city traffic while still offering strong performance when needed. The driving experience of the